The 2024 Ford Expedition caters to those seeking a full-size SUV that combines spacious accommodations and rugged capability. The Expedition is available in standard and extended-length Expedition Max models, with trims ranging from the base XL STX to the luxuriously equipped Platinum. The tough body-on-frame architecture of the Expedition couples a lightweight aluminum alloy body with a rugged high-strength steel frame. The Timberline trim adds underbody shielding, 10.6 inches of ground clearance, and 32-inch all-terrain tires. Depending on trim, the expansive cabin of the Expedition can be configured to seat 5, 7, or 8 passengers. Second-row tip-and-slide seating provides easy access to the third row. The Platinum Edition adds leather trim seats, wood trim accents, and soft-touch interior surfaces with contrast stitching. Expedition Max models offer up to 121.5 cubic feet of cargo space. The standard Sync 4A system is upgraded in upper trims with a portrait-oriented 15.5-inch touch display. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto functionality come standard. An available high-definition digital gauge cluster helps to keep tabs on vehicle functions such as Ford's Blue Cruise hands-free driving technology. The Expedition is powered by a twin-turbocharged 3.5-liter V6 engine, making 380 horsepower in lower trims and 400 horsepower in upper trims. The Timberline gets a 440 horsepower high-output version of the V6. Power is sent to the rear wheels or optional four-wheel drive through a 10-speed automatic transmission. The Expedition can tow up to 9,300 pounds when properly equipped. Here are the highest and lowest estimates for fuel economy. The standard Ford Copilot 360 includes pre-collision assist and blind spot monitoring with rear cross-traffic alert. Standard intersection assist helps drivers avoid an accident while making left turns, while the available Pro Trailer Backup Assist 2.0 assists with trailer maneuvering. The Expedition is backed by a 3-year, 36,000-mile basic warranty and a 5-year, 60,000-mile powertrain warranty. Reporting on the Expedition, Kelley Blue Book wrote, "The 2024 Ford Expedition is one of our favorite full-size SUVs, thanks to its refined driving manners, rich interior, and impressive capabilities." The 2024 Ford Expedition retains its appeal among motorists who require a contemporary 3-row SUV that offers both ample space and the capabilities of a full-size truck.